Morning children, take out beta your book to write down the Becken exercises. Beta, first one is your fill in the blanks. The dash of India is the supreme law of the country, Constitution. The Constitution of India lays down the rights and duties of the citizen. Third one is your beta. The Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution in the world. And fourth one is preamble is the introduction to the constitution. India has a democratic form of government, which means the people have the right to choose their government. Next comes beta R, true false. The constitution defines the power of the government. True it is, write down true in front of it. The drafting committee worked under the chairmanship of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. False, under the chairmanship of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Republic means that the people of India are free to choose their religion. False. All children in the age group of 6 to 14 years have the right to free and compulsory education. True. The government should promote the welfare of the people. True it is. Now come to this exercise number 3. That is, again you are supposed to answer in 1 or 2 words. First one is the term in the constitution that states that there is a social and economic equality in the state. That term is your socialist term. Okay, socialist. The term that relates to the freedom of the citizen to follow any religion, that is your secular. The first chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly was Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. People whose population is less in the country, minorities. The guideline to be followed by the state while establishing policies and laws, directive principles. Now come to the question answer. Now first question of R is what was the need to draft the Constitution of India post independence? Take out your first of all notebook. On the top of the notebook write down chapter number 5, our Constitution. Write down, answer the following questions. Write down the question from your book and I'm just going to tell you the answer. First one is your Constitution was drafted so that our country could make use of its own rules and laws. Question number 2 is write a short note on the nature of Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution of the world. It defines the structure, procedure, powers and duties of the government. It also states the rights and duties of the citizen. You can split this answer in point for your own ease. Okay. So write down question number 4 what are the fundamental duties of the citizens of India? The fundamental duties of the citizens of India are, first one is your respect the constitution, obey the laws of the country, respect national flag and national anthem, safeguard the public property, protect and preserve our environment. These are again your fundamental duties. Question number 5, that is your state the directive principle of state policy. Come here the directive principle of state policy are first one is government should promote the welfare of the people. The government should try to remove economic instability. First point again I am repeating, the government should promote the welfare of the people. Second point, the government should try to remove the economic instability. Third point is the government should maintain social order, provision of free and compulsory education. Now there is an exercise, that is your exercise 5, that is again Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is often called the father of Indian Constitution. Why do you think he is so called? Find out more about him. So here is the answer for this. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is often called the father of the Indian Constitution because he played a major role in framing Indian Constitution. This was all write down in your fair notebook. Have a good day, children.